Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust our columns or any of our cells while typing in. So we all know that it could be time consuming while trying to adjust our columns. Let's say we have here, let's type in ID and here surname, first name, middle name. So we can clearly see that our columns are not adjusting it themselves. So we have to adjust them manually like this. So in this video, I will show you how to auto adjust your columns. So what you need to do is to right click on the sheets icon and click on view code. Once you come into the view code page, you change the view code sheet from general to worksheet. Then you type in cells then you type in entire column and you type in auto fit, and that's all. You close the view code sheet. Now let's watch what happens now. So we have ID. You can see that our worksheet is auto adjusting itself. First name, class 3. We can clearly see that our worksheet is auto adjusting. So that time you waste in adjusting your columns manually is no more. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.